Hello children, good morning. Today we'll do the revision of chapter 4 in the history and the name of the chapter is the first cities. Children, why Indus Valley civilization is known as Harappan civilization? Because Harappa was the first site of the civilization to be discovered. In 1921, an Indian archaeologist, Dayaram Sani, understood the importance of the site and excavated the ruins of Harappa on the banks of river Ravi in western Punjab. Archaeological Survey of India came upon the remains of another ancient city in Mohenjo-daro on the banks of river Indus. So children, some of the earliest cities of India were Harappa, Mehergarh, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira and Lothal. Most sites of the Indus Valley civilization were found on the banks of river Indus, and that there were two main cities were Harappa of Punjab and Mohenjo-daro in Sindh of Pakistan. The discovery was accidental. The railway engineers in 1856 they found the bricks while laying railway tracks to build the railway line between Karachi and Lahore in Pakistan. But they did not realize its significance and carted the bricks off to build the railway line. Children, this is the type of brick they have found. You can see the pictures. Now about town planning, there are two main sections. The upper town is called the citadel and the lower town. So the city was generally divided into two sections, the upper town called the citadel and the lower town. The buildings were sturdy and made of burnt brick and stone, and big bricks platforms formed the foundation of the buildings in the citadel. This was done to protect the buildings from floods because the cities were always located on the banks of rivers. The citadel contained important public buildings like the granaries and the worship areas. Historians believe that the citadel was occupied by the ruling class and the lower town by the common people. So the cities of the Indus Valley were well developed at urban centers. Houses were built of mud bricks. They were either single story or double story. About the drainage system, the drains were covered with the bricks and sometimes with stone slabs. They had a slant so that water could easily flow through them. The drains were connected to the main drain in the street. At Mohenjo-daro, archaeologists have a huge public tank in the citadel mound called Great Bath. The floor of the tank was made of burnt bricks. The tank had six entrances and central bathing area. The, there were stairs on both ends along with side rooms. A well has also been discovered in one of the adjacent rooms. The Indus Valley people built their cities with proper planning and according to a set pattern. Granaries have been found both in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They were probably used for storing surplus grains. As many as six granaries have been found in Harappa, and the granaries were located around the river bank. So, children, this is all about the Harappan civilization. So, children, the Harappan cities were the centers for production of crafts, which were traded with distant lands. And the Indus Valley people used hammers, knives, needles, fish hooks, axes, razors, and saws. The people in the Harappan towns made use of bronze. They made bronze by mixing copper with the tin. The Harappans were skilled potters. They produced pottery with designs in black. The designs included the depictions of plants, birds, and other abstract forms, which were often painted on a red surface. The trade was conducted in stone, metal, shell, etc. The towns did not always have the necessary raw materials to produce the various crafts. Children, now about the seals, Harappan seals and script. Harappan seals have been recovered from Mesopotamia. Thousands of seals have been found from the Indus Valley sites. Most of them have short inscriptions with pictures of one buffaloes, tigers, goats, elephants, and crocodiles, etc. They were used for stamping by people in authority. Some seals were also used as ornaments such as amulets. About Harappan script, the Harappan script is pictographic. This means that script is in the form of pictures, in which each letter stands for some idea or object. Writing was done using a pointed stick in soft clay or with a sharp tool to scratch marks on stone or metal. The Indus script was written from right to left. About Harappan agriculture, it seems to have been an important occupation of the Harappans. There were farmers who lived in villages which were near the floodplains. They sowed seeds in November and reaped the harvest of wheat and barley in April. And about the religion, a seal representing a male deity has been identified as the ancestor of god Shiva, but this cannot be verified. There did not exist such buildings. It is difficult to identify them due to the absence of icons or ornamented structures. So now about the reasons for decline. So children, why did it decline? The civilization. Why did this civilization decline? Because there are various theories given for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. According to some historians, the civilization ended because a river dried up, and some scholars was think that because a river changed its course, causing floods in some areas and droughts in some places. This is believed to have greatly affected agriculture and stock breeding. Still others believe that decrease in fertility of the soil because of the increasing salinity caused by the expansion of the neighboring deserts. It leads to the decline of this civilization. So children, this is all about Harappan civilization.